Okay guys, travel with me from Hong Kong to Bali. If you didn't know, I spent the last 4 days eating dim sum and doing all touristy things. And now it's time to go. How cool is Hong Kong airport with all these ramps? But they got me tired. And to my fellow backpackers, if you know, you know. I tried to use a check-in kiosk, but of course it wasn't working. So I was told to line up in this huge ass line. I was sweating buckets and this fan saving my life. It's time to say bye to my auntie. She goes back to the Philippines. She got a bit emotional. I'm going to miss her. Grabbed a quick coffee and wow, Hong Kong has over 500 boarding gates. How crazy. This place is huge. And this is me using the travelator but forgetting to use the toilet. So I had to go back. And then me fighting sleep, and yep, this guy was a total vibe. I should have just laid next to him. Tell me why my new bag is broken. Another big ass line, and finally getting on the plane and getting to my seat comfortably, and then being told that I was in the incorrect seat the entire time, had to move in front of everyone. I was mortified. Time for a little snacky snack, and me fighting sleep again, but yep, wake me up for food. All they had was fish curry, but it actually slapped. This ice cream was a bomb. And watching a little movie and drinking water in my hair, not tap water, because the tap water on the plane is chat. And grabbing my luggage, waited 2 hours for this luggage and this line. And then, yep, got to my driver. He hit someone in front of us, but we were okay. It's all good. Got to my resort and now about to walk into Potato Head Beach Club with my besties. Thanks, bye.